Okay, so first thing we're gonna make some changes to PASTEBIN. We're gonna delete this, and we are also going to delete. Let's see, but where is it? We're also gonna delete. We're gonna delete this, and lastly, we are going to delete. Just go in your script, and if you see anything that looks like what I just deleted, and then delete it, okay? But only delete it if it has this in it. So don't delete stuff like this because it doesn't have the if then in it. So go ahead right now, just go in your script and just like get rid of those. Okay, and we're gonna make some changes. First of all, we're gonna make it where you can't grab something that's already dead because that's possible. So let's just inside of here we are going to do if part.parent.humanoid health less or equal to 0, then return end. We want that to be like that, and also guys, if you see here, I added bodyslam charge up. I added bodyslam land, bodyslam dive, and bodyslam ready. So dive and bodyslam are gonna be they're gonna be looped, but bodyslam land and bodyslam ready, they are not gonna be looped. And bodyslam ready is basically like when you're about to ground pound or bodyslam. Bodyslam land is when you land on the ground after doing a bodyslam, and you just land. Okay. First of all, also make sure you're looped. If we ever make a looped animation, like just make sure you have more than one keyframe, or probably will not work. So anyways, once we did that, now let's define the animations. So go down here and we'll do local bodyslam land equals this bodyslam land, and and bodyslam land dot priority equals enum dot animation priority dot action 4, and bodyslam land dot looped equals false. Okay, you want to have something like this. Make sure bodyslam and dive are looped. And also, I'm gonna fix something for the wall climbing. So usually when you wall climb, there's a glitch where you can like wall climb on parts that don't even collide. So let's fix that. So if air or this, and let's see, if climbing, then this. But if wall can collide equals false, then return end. Okay, oops, this has to have two of these. Okay, now that we did that, let's do the dive. The dive isn't the hardest thing to do. So first of all, let's make the key. You can choose any key you want, remember that. But I'm gonna choose actually I don't know what to choose. I'm just gonna choose V, because that's like the only one I'm not using. If that key code equals enum.keycode.v and shifting, actually we can just do and stunned, no, and let's see, what is it, and running, then stun equals true. Let's see, dive, play, wait until okay, so let's also go dive play, and we're gonna make a vector force. So go vector force equals instance.new vector force parent equals script.parent humanoid root part vector force equals vector tree.new, and we're gonna do script.parent humanoid root part get mass times negative, I'm gonna say -10. See if that makes a difference. Vector force attachment 0 equals find first child, which is a attachment, and we are also, I think that might be it actually. Also gonna go to input ended, and we're going to do if key.keycode. If dive is playing, then first of all we're gonna stop the dive. If dive is playing and key.keycode equals enum.keycode.v, then dive stop. I'm gonna name this vector force name equals dive force. Oops, we probably won't wanna, okay. And we're gonna do script.parent humanoid root part dive force destroy, and we are going to also repeat wait until touching the ground. So repeat wait till script parent humanoid floor material not equals enum material air. I don't know why I put that inside quotations. And script parent humanoid get state not equals enum humanoid state type freefall. Oh yeah, let's also make it where you have and running, and you have to be in the air to do a dive, obviously. So let's do that. Then we are going to, first of all, we're going to stop the dive. Stun equals false if you're not stunned. Vector force destroy. We're also going to make stunned equals false, and we're going to put this inside here. Also, since I can't really take any damage in my game, I don't know about you guys, but if you guys are making enemies that can do damage to you, you might want to make it where you stop the dive if you take damage. To stop the dive, you can literally just put code. You can just stop the animation. You can stun them if they want, and you can destroy the vector force, because the vector force, if you don't destroy it, will mess things up. And we also can do if vector force, then destroy end. Okay, so that might work. I don't know, so maybe you should test it. This probably will not work. Okay, let's make it where you don't have the after image and this stuff when you're doing the dive. But first I want to see if it actually makes you go down more. Because I don't think so the dive will, right now I don't think so it affects you anyway. But it's supposed to, so let's see. I actually think you're going down. I would say the dive is working. But I kind of want to make it where you go down more. So let's go ahead and change this to -20. And we are going to change the other thing too. If input ended, running equals false. If not running, then we're gonna stop it. So we're gonna do event fire server 0. And now I want to make it where the particles don't affect you. So let's actually where's the dive? I actually forgot already. So let's go ahead and we're gonna do game.replicate storage dot. I actually forgot what it was. Dot moves fire server. I'm just gonna fire server dive true. Dive true. And whenever you stop dive, we're gonna make it false. Dive false. And here we're also gonna do dive equals false. Now go inside particle and we are going to do if move equals dive, then if other player, which is literally just a boolean true or false. I don't know why it's named other player, I forgot. Maybe it's from the last episode, but anyways, if other player equals true, then else. If it's true, we're gonna disable the particle. So I actually don't know where the particle is parented to, so let's see. Where's the particle? I don't know. Oh, it's in the root part, so let's actually name this particle. We're gonna do it, bruh. Okay, we're gonna do particle.name equals mach particle. Now we're going to go to particle. We're gonna do if other player equals true, then player.character a humanoid root part it dot so mach particle, yeah, it's named mach particle dot enabled equals false, and we're gonna enable it to true, then else if player.character get attributes mach is more than 1, then this is equal to true. And I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure you don't have after images when you're diving, but in case I'm wrong, anyways, I'm just gonna make it where you don't have after images when you're diving. So this might work. It might. Okay. But okay, and we're gonna do if not dive is playing, then this. Now let's test it. Okay, we're gonna name this to mach particle. Now let's try it. Okay, no error. There is error. Oh, probably make this L a lowercase, should we? So let's make this L a lowercase. Don't know where that is, but let's see. We're gonna name it mach particle again. Mach particle, since we changed the name. Okay, this kind of seems to work. I'm gonna see if the dive makes you go down. It looks like it makes you go down faster. I'm gonna check again. Also, I just realized there might actually be a memory leak in my project, but you don't have to worry about it if you're not an advanced scripter. But if making an actual big pizza tower Roblox game, I would suggest you look at my, because I know what a memory leak is, but I haven't checked my project for any, so you probably, if you're an advanced scripter, you might know, you probably don't know. If you're a beginner, you might not know what a memory leak is. So if you're a beginner, don't worry about it. If you're advanced, I suggest you try to look for memory leaks stuff. I also don't know why my wall bump into a Mach 2 isn't working. I'm gonna try to fix that right now. Alright, okay, I fixed it. It should be in the PASTEBIN. So anyways, let's move on to the body slam, which I keep on calling the ground pound for some reason. But anyways, let's just input begin. Let's make it V when you're not shifting. So let's do it. If key code equals V and if key.keycode equals enum.keycode.read and not running and it's in the air and not running and is in the air, then first of all we're gonna do body slam ready. We're gonna play that. We're also gonna do local body slamming equals false, and we're gonna body slam equals true, body slam equals true, and not body slam, then return end, and not body slam, then return end, and body slam is less than 2, and if body slam is less than 1, so let's make the body slam 0. Body slam equals 0. Body slam equals 1. Body slam ready play, and then we're gonna do body slam. We're gonna test that weight 0.5. Body slam, just body slam play. Local vector force equals instance.new vector force dot parent script that. Now I'm gonna actually define the humanoid root part, so let's do local root part equals script dot parent a humanoid root part. Actually wait for child humanoid root part. Okay, so equals root part vector force dot attachment 0 equals root part. Find first child, which is attachment vector force dot enabled, vector force. That force equals vector3.new 0 root part get mass times -30 0. Okay, now we're gonna repeat wait until we're gonna either repeat wait. Actually, we're gonna do local bodyslam run, which we're gonna make it where if you bodyslam for long enough, you can destroy metal blocks. So repeat bodyslam run +1, and then wait. Oh, this equals 0 until script until it's also define a humanoid. Local humanoid equals script parent humanoid until humanoid floor material equals enum material air not equals, and humanoid get state not equals enum state type humanoid state type free fall. So also make you stun, so you can't make any other input. Stun equals true, and then stun equals false. And we're gonna do body slam stop, body slam land, play. I'm gonna make my character stun for 0.5 seconds when he lands. So test that wait 0.5, and then stun equals false. Will this work? Well, also you guys can make sound effects if you want. I actually can't make them because that would take a lot of time, and I think it's pretty simple to make sound effects anyways. Okay, now if my calculations are right, well, which one of these are marble? I should be able to destroy marble block from this high. So let's see. Where is the piece of marble? Oh, it's that one I see. Okay. That didn't work. Oh. Bro, what? I just touched it and it disappeared. Ah, that's confusing. Oh, I forgot to do something. I'm also gonna do body slam equals 0. And if then end. We're also gonna do if body slam run is more than C50, then body slam equals 2. So we can destroy metal blocks. Now I'm gonna actually make some metal blocks underneath my wall, so I can actually get high enough to destroy these. And I'm also gonna put some marble blocks too. Oops, that's not very intended. I'm just gonna put this marble block over here, and I'm also gonna make this actually look like marble. That looks close enough like marble. Let's test this. Also, I will put the particle effects that happen when you're ready to destroy a marble block. Not right now though, because I just want to test if this works. I'll probably do it at the end. First, wait, doesn't. Okay, the bump works. Okay, now let's test this. Okay, I was not high. It will be high though. I don't think so. I shouldn't make it where this should be high enough. Still not destroyed. I should be able to destroy a marble block, right? Okay, that works. I also haven't made the particle for marble blocks destroying it. You guys can do that. So why doesn't it destroy the big boy blocks? And I forgot where I put my script. Oh, it's here. I'm gonna try task.wait, and I'm gonna also print. Just gonna make it laggy out. Let's destroy this later. Print bodyslam run, and now let's test. Also, I want to make the vector force here. I'm gonna make the force here. And also I want to make the force before you actually body slam. Makes it go up a little. So times just regular 30, 30, whatever you call it. And let's test this now. Remember, I don't have any enemies that can destroy, that can take damage, that can make you take damage in your game. So if you guys have a game where you can take damage, probably code it so that these states, they don't happen when you, that didn't work. That did not work at all. That works. That doesn't work. Let's see why it does not work. So let's just get rid of these. And let's make another thing here. If body slam more than 0, then destroy. Now if body slams more than 1, then yeah. Okay, let's test this. I will put the particles, remember, but first I want to make sure this works. And also I'm pretty sure in actual piece of tower, these iron blocks are not this big, but they're just big in my game, because why not? Okay, let's see, this better work. It wasn't high enough. I should make it where you don't have to be that high. That'll probably make things better. Okay, I'm also gonna change something first before I remake the particles. I'm gonna make the body slam. I'm gonna make this 30 instead of 50, and I'm going to delete this. Don't need this anymore. Sorry. And I'm gonna make this times 30 times workspace. At gravity. I want to make your body slam faster, so negative 50. Probably gonna make this actually 20 instead. Negative 50. I want to also make the dive make you go down faster, so this is negative 52. Oh, it's not high enough. Was not high enough. Yeah, I think I should make it. You don't have to be that high. How am I still not high enough? No, this isn't fast enough. So I'm just gonna keep on changing this until it's fast enough. So let's try 100. Let's also make this 50. And I don't know why it's not destroying the blocks again. I'm gonna do 200 for this also. I'm gonna make this 50. And let's actually just do the thing now. So let's make another particle. So go into replicate storage, particle emitter. We're gonna name this one slam particle. Mission direction is gonna be down, so bottom, and go into mach run. Do this, do this, do this. Local slam particle and slam particle equals equals game.replicate storage.slam particle clone. And now we are going to go here, then this, and then I'm going to do game.replicate storage, wait for child moves, modifier server, bodyslam, and we're gonna do true. Now get this again, and I'm gonna do the false this time. So go inside particle now, copy and paste this. This time it's gonna be bodyslam, and I'm gonna change this one to true and this one to false. I'm gonna also just change this to if true, so it always happens. And slam particle. Now, if those particles don't play, I know something is wrong. Bruh. Alright, so it actually took a lot of time for me to figure out why it wasn't working, but this is what I did. First of all, I made a new hitbox called down hitbox. I added it right below hitbox. I also added down weld, as you can see here. Also deleted. I deleted the thing that sets the network corner to the hitbox, and stuff like that. That's all I did for here. Make sure you copy that. For mock input, I made a bunch of changes. Below here, I also changed it to dirty, and I made it where you also added this, and I added this really big 4i part and stuff. You don't need the prints. If this is too long, you can go into PASTEBIN. So in here, yeah, I have that, and make sure that's in between these things. And inside of the hitbox, I removed the thing that destroys the iron when you're ground pounding, because I already did that in the script I just showed you in here. And also inside of not particle, inside of after image, I also added this script so your down hitbox will not be in the after image. Yeah, and yeah, you can also check. I'm pretty sure I didn't miss anything, but if I did, you can always check the PASTEBIN. I'm gonna test my thing in Roblox, the Roblox player app.